Hey guys, what is up? Today, I thought I'd show you how to make fun interactive videos using Manycam. If you're an ESL teacher or you just like to make fun videos online, this surely is going to interest you. So, stick around and look what we're going to learn today how to do. Hey, so did you like the video? It's pretty neat, isn't it? And it's actually pretty easy to do. So let's see how we do our video. But first, oh my God, what's that? They're Mario boxes. Let's see how many boxes we have. We have one, we have two, and we have three Mario boxes. This just means that we're going to need three things to make our video today. So let's open our boxes and see what's inside. So for our first Mario box, we see that inside we have a kitchen background. Now, this is important. Let me see if I can. This is important because, well, we need some sort of background to display on our uniform or on our uniform background or on our green screen, so it could be displayed right behind us. So thank you. The second thing we're going to need is, of course, a bag like the one you saw in the video. This is a bit harder to find. You need to search for an image that's on a PNG format. But if you don't know what that is, don't worry. Down on the description below, I'm going to leave some links that take you directly to these images so you can add them directly to your Manycam screen, and you can use them directly with your students or to make your own personal videos. And last but not least, we're going to need the product that we're going to buy at the supermarket. And in this case, we're going to choose an apple. So remember, you need an apple. You're going to need a background to display what you want to, what the place that you're going to do your scene. And last but not least, you need a bag, a PNG bag, which is the same format, a transparent format as the apple, to kind of play and move around your objects so it looks good. So, being that said, let's see how all this looks. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how to do the kitchen scene. So, like I said, this is me, and, well, this is my green screen. It's important that you have one, just not a green screen per se, but just a uniform background, because all of these effects are done with the Chrome key function on Manycam. The first step is going to be to go and choose the media files option after right-clicking the screen of your Manycam. And that's going to change to the kitchen background that I told you guys to find. After that, you're going to right click again and you're going to add new layer. That's the second option from the bottom up. And there you can add a layer. I'm going to put that new layer in the middle, and I'm going to add on that new layer my webcam. The cool thing about Manycam is that you can make any layer that you add small or big, depending on what you want and how you're going to use it. After that is when I'm going to activate my Chrome key function, which is located on the right side of your screen on the toolbar. There, you're going to activate it, and you're going to brush over, or you're going to click over the green area or the uniform part area that's around you. That helps you blend into the background, so it would appear that you're actually part of the background while you're moving. Pretty cool, isn't it? After that, you're going to add a new layer once again. Remember, it's the second or third option from the bottom up after you right-click on your screen. and you're going to go and search for the transparent PNG file of the bag that I showed you. So that would be this one right here. After that, you can move it around, you can mimic, and you can actually act out like if you're holding the bag and ask your students or clients, hey, what do you want to buy at the supermarket today? And last but not least, you're going to right click on that very same bag or on the very same image, and you're going to click on media file. And you're going to maybe act out that you're thinking of where is the object that they asked you to find, or you're trying to find it somewhere in the store. And you're going to click on your apple, and it's going to eventually change the PNG bag to a PNG apple, and you can display it to your students and move it around anywhere you want. So, see, pretty easy, and you don't need any special skills to do it. You just need the PNG files in the background and the Manycam software. So pretty neat and easy to do. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe join the Facebook group that I put down on the description below with the other links with the images and the PNG images and maybe some different backgrounds for some kitchen scenes. And well, I hope to see you next time on my next video on how to use Manycam to do fun and interesting activities for ESL learning. Till then, thank you and have a good one.